Awesome.
That is his.
Perfect.
Oh my God.
I know, I'm
Okay,
excited.
1,
2, 3. Oh, even with the
Sweet.
light. That's cool.
I love it.
That's
It's gonna be
amazing.
so much more comfortable.
Going from scraping by university students to now have had a journey of entrepreneurial success, and along with that, 2 children, multiple businesses, traveled the world. You know, we've done all these things and changed who we are.
So our styles have changed.
Yeah, so we feel that Marlow's definitely helped us understand who are we, you know, what has changed through us and how can we express that through
Our jewelry.
Yeah, through our wedding ring specifically. And we have a continued commitment to one another. The ring is a symbol of that, and our evolving love for one another is really what we believe it symbolizes. One of the reasons that we selected Marlow to do our custom jewelry work was that we believe that Marlow really had an element of uniqueness and authenticity to who he is as well, and the kind of work that he does.
And being business owners, it was important to us to shop local and support local business entrepreneurs as well.
For sure. I mean, I'm super happy with the product and with the work that he did, and not just the product, but the service. You know, it's the product and the service with Marlow. I think that's excellent. So
Yeah, I'm really, really happy with my ring. Thanks, Marlow.
thanks, Marlow.